What we have here is Ikea Markus, which is 6 years old, and it developed quite an annoying problem. After hearing that, please tell me, would you be able to live with that? For me personally, is annoyance, and I want to test IKEA 10 years warranty, which they are giving on some of their products, like IKEA Markus and some furniture products. In my country, there is a 2 years obligation for manufacturer and seller to provide a warranty. After that, it is basically an extended warranty, which is usually hard to get. As far I know, in many other countries it is similar. So let's test IKEA and see how much they will be helpful with this problem, if for them this is the problem at all. So let's write them email. I recorded a video which you've seen with explanation detailed what is happening and that I'm considering this a defect, and let's see what will happen. I sent a complaint on the February 23rd. My mail is containing all needed informations like order number, time of order, which is 10th month of 2017. The chair is nearly 6 years old, which is quite impressive considering that this problem developed in the past 2 years. So the first 4 years the chair was nearly perfect. I mean, it was basically perfect without this defect, crunching or any sound. It was the Markus, which you can see on the reviews and usual stuff. Now let's wait and enjoy the beautiful sounds of my chair. It is March the 2nd and I'm waiting from the February 24th, if I recall well. And I got an email from IKEA stating that they looked at my complaint and that there is not too much to do because chair is 6 years old, and you know how companies have different views of how chair is used and so on. This is not a professional grade chair. But guess what? They approved my complaint. And actually they called me first today. And a really nice girl told me, she's working for IKEA, of course. She told me that my complaint is reasonable and that they are offering me to exchange my Markus for the new one. I asked them if I can get option to pay more money and get a newer model. There are new chairs which I want to try out. Sadly, there is no that option, but there is an option for them to refund me the money and I can buy a chair which I want, which is the great option. And the next step is to decide which chair I will take. Will I take a Markus or pick something else? Let's see. I need to return the chair so I can get my refund. So first I will disassemble it and try to pack it in something for easier shipping. The IKEA arranged a pickup for it, so I don't have any contact with the shipping company. They will call me to pick it up. This is how my package looks like. I don't have any blocks to put all this, so I was like, there is no need to disassemble bottom part. I will just give this to shipping company like this. It is worth mentioning that IKEA organized everything, so the guy will just call me and come to pick this up, and that will be it. The new chair arrived 2 days later, and guess which one it is. Are you ready? Jarv Jallet is here, assembled and ready to go. To summarize everything, it was interesting story. So I got a refund in the end. They sent the money on my bank account. I decided to buy more expensive model. People say that that this is upgrade for the Markus. I will review it and test it after some time, so consider subscribing to the channel thumbs up for the IKEA. I really didn't I didn't really think that I will get refund after 6 years. So it is a really good thing about their 10 years warranty. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and until next time, see ya.